I think we can all agree that 2020 was an absolute shit show of a year. Everybody lost something, even if that was as simple as losing plans, and the least lucky of us lost loved ones. I'm trying to cope with my own losses and trying to get back a sense of control. So I've picked out some small things that I'm going to leave back in 2020. Things I have full control over and I'm going to be guaranteed success at. One of those things that we'll be covering today is that these wires aren't making it into 2021. To accomplish this, we'll be using a set of Logitech Z407 Bluetooth speakers with a subwoofer, which will get rid of these wires and replace my current Altec Lansing speaker and subwoofer set. We'll be using a Corsair K57 wireless keyboard, replacing our Corsair K70 wired keyboard. That will get rid of these two thick USB cables that constantly clutter the area between my keyboard and monitor, because I need to switch the USB hub they're attached to in between my desktop and laptop dock for my day job. And our last new component is a Sabrent USB 3.0 hub with 7 ports. This will allow me to run the cables for the joystick, throttle, webcam, and my condenser mic behind my monitor, giving me more usable desk space and replacing 4 USB cables with just one. One of the features of the USB hub is being able to individually power components on and off, which is good because when my joystick or throttle are plugged in, my computer acts like it's constantly getting input and refuses to fall asleep. As we can see now, this whole area has more usable space, is going to be easier to dust, and it no longer looks like the workstation of a cyberpunk hacker. This is a short one, and that will do for today. I hope 2021 finds you better than 2020 did, and you don't take anything you don't want from the last year with you into the next. As always, thank you for joining us on the Test Bench. Like this video and subscribe to the Test Bench. Feel free to join us on Facebook. Back us on Patreon if you want to help us show you more cool stuff. And follow us on Twitter. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out our other videos.